So the next outfit, my heat just kicked in. I hope you guys can't hear that, but it's not as bad as the battery kind of going out on the smoke detector, if you know what I mean. Beep. Hey, welcome back to another video. If you are a returning viewer, and if you're not, welcome to my channel. I hope this video is convincing that you need to subscribe. But before we get into all that, I'm going to get into getting dressed without being boring at home, if that makes sense. Basically, putting some pieces together to look cute at home, especially if you don't have a budget at the moment to buy new loungewear. Being a mom and having to like budget and save money and be careful with the overspending, I did not buy too many lounge pieces, so I did end up using pieces that I already had and remix them into cute little outfits that I could wear around the house. You know, sometimes it actually takes for you to get up and get dressed, do your hair, do your makeup, to keep you from getting like depressed or, you know, like miserable about being in the house. I figured I can put some pieces together that I have in my closet that I pretty much play around with. These outfits I actually can wear outside, so it's not like I'm putting together some dingy t-shirt or holey pants or something like that that I wouldn't want to step outside in. If I actually need to run an errand, I could just throw on a jacket or a sweater or something and wear these outside. So that was the goal I wanted to have in mind. It looks to wear inside, but also if you have to run outside, you can go ahead and throw on a jacket and get to it. In order to do this, you do have to have some pieces that are very versatile, meaning like neutral tones or solid colors. You might could do some prints depending on what you do. Like this lounge set I have here, I'll back up a little bit. This is actually a pair of sweatpants and I have them on my fuzzy slippers. I got this set from Misguided when they had the collaboration with Playboy, and they still do pretty much have an ongoing collaboration with that. You could probably still find these pieces online, but if not, one or the other still will do you justice. But I pretty much say that when you buy your loungewear or the loungewear that you do have around the house are basic pieces that speak to you and you feel comfortable playing around with. Get ready to see what I put together. Keep watching, stay tuned. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification so you know when I post a video every week. Also, don't be afraid to use the comment section. So with that said, let's get to this video. This is a one piece I got from Fashion Nova from the first time I actually purchased from them. I was really shocked that this fit. This is like a cotton material, and it has like the rib detail, which I think looks always cute and chic. It's long sleeves that come all the way down. This does have a little hoodie on it, so if I want to be cute with a little hoodie and some ears, this is what it would look like. I've actually featured this piece on my first Fashion Nova haul that I've ever done, and I talked about the fit and everything about it. So if you are interested in this piece and if there's more, first watch the video so you can hear about the fit and the size information, and then of course I'll have whatever is still available on the site that looks similar or that's close to it, if it's not there, linked for you, so you can go ahead and check that out. I would actually consider this like a play suit. There's plenty of them out there, and if you don't know what I mean by play suits, meaning like it's kind of like a jumper but they're shorts instead. Put this on with some fuzzy socks and you will be, girl, you'll feel good. You'll feel really good. And if there's anything that I have to have on, like with all my lounge outfit, is a pair of fuzzy socks or slipper socks of some kind. Actually, right now I am just rocking these slippers that I have just gotten from Amazon, and I watched a video from Jackie Ina who did like Amazon purchases that you can get last minute for Christmas, and these were on there. I'll have these linked. These actually went up to a size 12 and I'm a size 11, so they fit really good, and I would definitely recommend buying a pair. They do have them in other colors and prints. There was a leopard print that I actually wanted, but then I saw the black ones and I'm like, I'll go with black. So this is what I've been wearing with my lounge sets and outfits and stuff like that. But anyway, that's not what you're here for. So yeah, if you have any play suits laying around the house from like the spring or summertime that you really loved, you can definitely wear those. And if you needed to, you can also wear like a long cardigan or a sweater over it, just to kind of like add more layers to it. It's like you're transferring your spring and summer clothes into the winter, but you're at home. So that's the first idea. Okay, so the next outfit, My heat just kicked in. I hope you guys can't hear that, but it's not as bad as the battery kind of going out on the smoke detector, if you know what I mean. Your favorite tank paired with a long or midi soft like cotton skirt or even a spandex material. I have one from Aloy that I've gotten a while ago, and it has two splits down the middle. Like right here, I'm wearing this lime, I don't know if you can see the color, but it's gonna be blown out, so whatever. You'll see it in a full video on the side of here, of course. I got this top from Target for $5 not too long ago, and Target usually does have sales on their t-shirts and tanks from time to time. You can get them anywhere between $5 to $8. You can mix and match your tanks. You can get like your plain black and white, you can get your printed ones, you can get colorful ones just like this one, and you can just pair it with like a simple skirt that you have around the house. This gives me more flexibility to kind of move around in and still be comfortable if I want to just sit down and chill. Also, if I needed to run out to run an errand, I can just throw on a jean jacket or a puffer, put on some sneakers, boots, whatever shoes I want to put on, and I actually have on a complete outfit. So a tank paired with like a cotton or spandex skirt is perfect to have as a lounge around outfit that you can take outside. Okay, on to the third outfit, I believe. I think I have about 5 or 6 outfits that I'm gonna show you, so yeah, 6 actually. All right, so for this next outfit that you can put together to look cute at home is, of course, another tank and a pair of these cotton Bermuda shorts, I believe they probably would call, or even just some cotton shorts, period. I actually got these from one of the discount stores around the corner from me. I did go in the men's section to find some shorts that I actually liked. And the reason why I did go to the men's section is because sometimes being tall has its disadvantages when it comes to looking for clothing in the women's section, especially if this section does not have a tall section. These type of shorts are actually a great idea to wear around the house if you are more of a tomboy, or if you wanted to wear shorts around the house and you didn't want to wear like those booty shorts that we pretty much have when our man is over, you know, if you're dating, or that you would just probably wear by yourself. And I don't like to wear those type of shorts around the house all the time because I have kids. So I'm not gonna walk around with my cheeks hanging out, especially with the 10-year-old son. So I felt like these shorts were really appropriate to have for me. This is just like a crop tank top I got from Forever 21. I got this for less than $10, of course. So this look actually be really cute to wear around the house with your tank top and your cotton shorts. Give you more of like a tomboy vibe if you are not into the feminine looking looks. This is definitely an option for you to have. All right, on to the next one. This outfit will contain a slouchy sweater or knitwear that you have at home, long or short sleeve, it's up to you. I paired this with a pair of biker shorts because why not? I love the idea of playing with proportion, where if you're big up top, you'd be small at the bottom, or small at the bottom, big up. Did I say that right? The whole proportion thing is to make sure that it's a balance. So I felt like having like a oversized slouchy knitwear with a pair of biker shorts would be really cute. Again, if you are in colder temps in the house with the heater on, you can put on the shorts to be comfortable in but still not be too hot. I will wear this outside, and I probably not only wear it with sneakers, but I probably put on like my combat boots, like maybe my Dark Martens or something. But this is pretty much like a really comfortable look too that you can have on. It even looks cute with the fuzzy slippers, any oversized knits that you just like to be cozied up in, especially if they, you know, kind of fall off the shoulder like this. It's really cute to pair them with a pair of biker shorts to wear around the house, or even some leggings. It's up to you, but that's another look for you. All right, next outfit is a bodysuit paired with your favorite joggers. Now this is pretty much not a big surprise because a lot of girls actually already wear their bodysuits with their joggers when they go outside, just to kind of have a cute little outfit. I paired my Zara bodysuit, and I got these actually in black and white, and I did want to get like a new color, but the new sold out really fast. Every time these come out, they sell out really fast. When you get like a really cute bodysuit like this, or even if it's just a regular short, or if it's even a regular short sleeve or long sleeve bodysuits, pairing it with your joggers looks really cute, especially if your joggers are a bit baggier, because your bodysuit is very body fitting and the joggers can give you a little bit more room. Joggers in a bodysuit is just cute, simple. Wear it around the house, wear it outside, put on your denim jacket, your long line jacket, still be cute. I don't think I need to spend more time on this because it's really a no-brainer. But if you did not know about this type of look, or if you forgot about it, you can thank me later for bringing it back up. Okay, so this next look is super simple as well. If you have a loose, oversized, or your boyfriend's or your man's button-down shirt, you can definitely pair it with a pair of sweats or knit joggers that you might have around the house. I'm wearing my knit joggers that actually matches with the sweater I had in the previous outfit. So this would be an example of mixing and matching the pieces to go with other things. So one of the things you could definitely do, like with the button down, I wouldn't say just like put it on and make it all tailored. It has to be like an oversized, button down shirt, so you can kind of give it like this more of like a lounge, just chilling type of look. This is actually a cute way to wear your button downs with your jeans as well, especially if you have a pair of high-waisted jeans on. If you want to know how to kind of get like this loose, chic type of relaxed wear when it comes to like the oversized button downs, I can show you really quick, because I didn't actually know it. I've seen the girls do it, but like I've seen the girls wear their shirts kind of like this, and it's like, how do they do that without like showing the bra and stuff? So what you pretty much do is you button up the shirt kind of like messed up. Like when you're a little kid, you know, you used to button the buttons in the wrong spot. So like here, I only have the last button loop available, and I kind of started like 2 buttons up, which gives me like the asymmetrical, here we go. It gives me like the little asymmetrical look. So then I would just tuck this in here, and now this is pulled back on my shoulders, so this is how I will go ahead and button it up. So I buttoned it up like 3 buttons. You can see here, 1, 2, 3. And yes, I am wearing a red bra, and it's not even Valentine's Day, but it's on just. Yeah, so after you button that up, you will go ahead and kind of just like shift this back, like kind of like off your shoulders a little bit, if that makes sense. And then you will come to the front here and kind of just kind of like play with it, you know, and get it to the way you like it. I do have my sleeves rolled up the way I like them, and it makes it a little more comfortable. But yeah, so you can actually play with your oversized button down the way you want to. If you want to wear it off the shoulder, you can wear it off the shoulder. If you want to keep it on the shoulder, you can put it back. But yeah, so you just play with it. You just kind of like shift it back a little bit and just kind of play with that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, so that actually is the last outfit. So let's go ahead and get out of here. All right, good peoples, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the ideas that I shared with you. Sometimes I actually forget what I have in my closet, and I forget sometimes I can mix and match my pieces to make cute little outfits at home. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and do this video and share it with you as well. All the pieces that you've seen are pieces that I have bought, and I had them for a while. So I'm not sure if everything will actually be out and available for purchase, but I will try to find the closest thing to it if I cannot find an exact piece from the places that I did buy those things from. So once again, because it's the end of the video, I have to remind you, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers. I've only been on this YouTube journey for half a year now, and I just want to go ahead and just hit like a solid 100 just so I can breathe a little bit. If I can get to 1,000, trust me, I'm ready for that too, whatever we can do. So high goal for the month of February coming up is 1,000, but if we can get to 100, I'm greatly appreciative of that too. So share, comment, like, do whatever you do, watch it a couple times, make sure somebody else watches a couple times. Help your girl out here. So on that note, I hope you have a great weekend, and if you're watching this during the week, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.